Hey everyone, it's John from Debate Academy, and today we're going to learn the basics of cross-examination. Understanding cross-examination will help you ask effective questions and know what kind of questions to prepare for. Constructive speeches, the 1AC, 2AC, 1NC, and 2NC, are always followed by a cross-examination period, when a debater from the opposing side gets to question the debater that just gave a speech. This is also known as cross-ex, and each cross-ex lasts 3 minutes. So what's the point of cross-ex? Well, you can use cross-ex for a variety of strategic purposes, including to clarify the debate. If you don't understand an argument, ask about it. Getting warrants on the record. Have the other team explain exactly what their argument is so you can attack it. Showing presence or dominance, because perception can make the judge think you're winning and make your arguments more compelling. Some things you can ask about include arguments made by the other team that you did not understand, arguments made by the other team you think you may have missed, how some arguments made by the other team are inconsistent with other arguments they made, and how arguments the other team made answer the arguments you made. Now, the judge doesn't flow cross-ex. This means that even if you prove a good point during cross-ex, you still have to use it as an argument in your next speech for the judge to evaluate it. Here's an example. If I ask someone a question that proves their impact is unlikely to happen, I then must say something like, no impact. In cross-ex, I prove that they can't explain how their impact will actually happen. Here are some extra cross-ex tips. Ask precise questions. Avoid being open-ended by aiming for yes or no answers. Don't waste time on questions the other team can't answer. Move on. Point out when the other team's arguments don't have good evidence or warrants backing them. And last, use this information in your speech. Here are a few cross-ex don'ts. Don't be mean or bully the other team. Don't ask questions that could have a surprising answer or catch you off guard. Don't ask filler questions just to waste time. You'll end up looking bad. But most importantly, don't be a pushover. Be willing to stand your ground and defend your arguments. So to recap, cross-ex should be strategically used to set up arguments and help you better understand your opponent's arguments. Every question you ask should have a purpose. That's all for this lesson. Congratulations on taking the next step to becoming a successful policy debater. I'll see you in the next episode.